Imagine a world where a single dream reshapes an entire industry, where a young boy's vision transforms a nation into a global aviation powerhouse. So, in the heart of Brazil, against all odds, that dream took flight, and today, it soars higher than ever before. Welcome to Flight Realities, where we don't just explore the skies, we uncover the stories that define them. So in time past, we've taken you inside the behemoth that is the Airbus A380 Neo and marveled at the sleek engineering of the A350. But today, we are shifting our focus to a story of relentless innovation from a company that is rewriting the rules of regional aviation, Embraer. So just stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how Embraer became a global leader, but you'll also see why the E2 series is setting new standards in the industry. And trust me, there's a lot more to this story than you've ever imagined. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back to Flight Realities, where we dive deep into the world of aviation, uncovering the truth behind the skies. So I am Joseph Kabulu, and if you're passionate about aviation like me, then you're in the right place. So today we're about to embark on an exciting journey through the history, innovation, and excellence of Embraer, the Brazilian aerospace giant that has been making waves in the industries for over half a century.
Jets with up to 150 seats, light and medium-sized executive jets, and aircraft in the defense and security segment. In just 5 decades.
But before we take off, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Trust me, you won't want to miss this one. To understand the marvel that is the Embraer E2, we first need to go back to where it all began.
In the early 1930s, a young boy living in a small city in Sao Paulo had a dream to one day take to the skies. Aviation is still a very new field in his day. Planes are used only for war or to transport the mega rich across the world. Brazil, the boy's home country, is far too poor to produce flying machines of any kind.
It's a story of vision, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Embraer's journey started in 1969, born out of the dreams of a young Brazilian boy, Osiris Silva, who wanted nothing more than to see his country soar to new heights. Silva's passion led to the establishment of Embraer, a company that would go on to become the world's third largest producer of civil aircraft, behind only Boeing and Airbus. But it wasn't an easy journey. The early years were filled with challenges, yet the spirit of innovation never wavered. Then, from its humble beginning, Embraer quickly began to make a name for itself with iconic aircraft like the EMB 110 Bandeirante, which paved the way for regional aviation in Brazil. This was just the beginning. Embraer's relentless pursuit of innovation saw the development of aircraft that not only met but exceeded global standards. So by the 1990s, Embraer was revolutionizing regional aviation with the ERJ-145, a jet that redefined what regional air travel could be. This success wasn't just a milestone for Embraer. It was a statement to the world that Brazil was a force to be reckoned with in aerospace. And now we arrive at the crown jewel of Embraer's lineup, the E2 family. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a revolution. The E2 jets, including the E190-E2 and E195-E2, embody everything Embraer has learned over the decades. They are the most efficient single-aisle aircraft in the world, featuring cutting-edge aerodynamics, advanced technology, and a commitment to sustainability. These jets aren't just built, they are re-engineered to perfection. So let's take a closer look at how these masterpieces are made. The production of the E2 jets is a testament to Embraer's meticulous attention to detail and commitment to quality. So, from the assembly of the fuselage to the installation of state-of-the-art avionics, every step is carefully monitored to ensure the highest standards are met. The use of composite materials, innovative wing designs, and new generation engines makes the E2 not only a marvel of engineering, but also a benchmark for the future of aviation. It's not just about building a plane, it's about crafting an experience that redefines air travel. But Embraer isn't stopping here. With projects like the E190F, they are continuing to push the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. So whether it's developing new cargo solutions or exploring sustainable aviation technologies, Embraer's vision for the future is as bold as ever. Now you begin to think the company's commitment to innovation and excellence ensures that it will remain at the forefront of aerospace for years to come. But I still wonder, they are third in civil aviation behind just Airbus and Boeing. So what do you think? Has Embraer's journey inspired you as much as it has inspired me? From a young boy's dream to a global aviation powerhouse, Embraer's story is a testament to what can be achieved with vision and determination.
To efficiency and reliability in commercial aviation. The ERJ series includes several models, such as the ERJ-140 and ERJ-145. These aircraft are designed primarily for short to medium haul flights and are widely used by regional airlines around the world. The ERJ family is known for its efficiency and suitability for smaller markets, helping to popularize regional air travel and fill the gap between smaller propeller aircraft to larger jetliners.
So if you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Embraer, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow aviation enthusiasts, and drop a comment below on what you'd like to see next on Flight Realities. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and check out the links in the description for more videos on the incredible world of aviation, including our detailed looks at the Airbus A350 and A380 Neo. So until next time, keep your seatbelt fastened and your tray tables up. We'll see you in the skies. Thank you. Goodbye.